we'll guide you through how to choose between Wix and Shopify for your online store. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and explore their e-commerce capabilities by checking out their templates and design flexibility. Wix is great if you prioritize customization and a visually appealing storefront. You can drag and drop elements easily, making it perfect for creative control without needing much technical expertise. Next, take a look at their pricing plans. Wix offers various tiers, including business and e-commerce plans, which come with unlimited bandwidth and a free domain for a year. If you're a small business or just starting, this might be a more budget-friendly option. Now, head over to the Shopify website. Shopify is known for its robust e-commerce features. It's ideal if you need a powerful platform with advanced sales tools. Explore Shopify's App Store, where you can integrate various tools for marketing, shipping, and customer service. Their checkout process is streamlined, which can enhance customer experience and potentially increase sales. Shopify's pricing is straightforward, with plans that include features like abandoned cart recovery and professional reports. If scalability is a priority, Shopify's infrastructure can handle a large volume of sales and inventory. Consider the level of support you need. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support, which is beneficial if you anticipate needing assistance at any time. Wix also provides support, but you may need to wait during peak times. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your specific business needs. If you want more design flexibility and a lower starting cost, Wix might be the way to go. If you're looking for growth potential with comprehensive e-commerce functionalities, Shopify could be the better choice. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.